Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at apartments in Texas between the price range of $1,000 to $1,500. Alright, so let's take a quick look at our first location, which is going to be right here. It looks like it's going to be 1,219. Alright, and that's going to be like the one bedroom spot. It looks like a great space so far. Wow. They do say everything is bigger in Texas. So comment below if that's true or not. Alright, so this is like a communal swimming pool area, which looks very stunning. Wow, we got some nice night views. Great, so the gym area. Nice, looks like a very spacious gym area. Alright. Okay, we got some nice workstations here. Looks like a bar. Whoa, very nice. This would be your one bedroom. Great stuff here. Nice washroom. Wow. Nice views as well, and the balcony is excellent. This is amazing. So it looks like they're giving us more locations of the other places, but yeah, let's run through it really quickly. These look really nice, and if you want to spend more time and take a look, you can also pause the video. So this is another space as well. Great. Looks like there's some carpets in the previous picture. Very nice. All right. So it looks like a different angle. Great lawn space as well. So this looks like a really nice area. Go out for some nice walks. Very nice. Wow, we got some hammocks as well. That's pretty cool. Great place to have a mini small party. Very nice. Wow, comment below if you would definitely take this beautiful spot. So next we have 3200 Windsor, and let's take a look at this very nice stunning place. Looks like here is the living. This is the living and this is the kitchen with a nice island. Great work, got another view here. Great. Nice countertops as well, white cabinets, amazing. All right, and here we open up to the living space. Wow, great interior staging, very nice. Great work. Oh, I like what they did with the curtains here. Very nice. All right, and here is your very nicely sized closet. Great washroom. Wow, so it looks like there is a gym somewhere on the property as well. Very nice. All right. Ooh, so we got some lounge areas as well. Very stunning. Pool. Comment below if you play pool, or if you don't, let us know. And here's the mail room. Great place. Wow, oh, nice. Got a swimming pool here too. Nice different angles for some sun tanning and stuff. Wow, great location. And this is up to, so you can definitely get one of the bedrooms within our price range today. And if you look at the neighborhood, the walk score is at a 5. So you're definitely gonna need a car for this location, and there is no transit nearby, so we'll definitely need a car to get around. If you look at the map here too, doesn't look like there's much transit or anything. But very nice apartment. Let's take a look at this next stunning location. Great views here. We are in Sundance Creek. Very nice. Alright, got a nice pool here as well. Great space, and it also looks like they're giving us more images of the other places as well. Let's take a quick look. Very nice and quite large as well. Looks like one of the living rooms here. Sundance Creek. Whoa, everything is larger in Texas. We did some videos on some apartments in New York City and Toronto, Canada. So if you want, you can take a look at those. We have those on the channel. Oh, we got some laundry. You know, on the channel we love laundry, in-unit laundry to be more specific. That is awesome. Great washroom. Nice outdoor area as well. Wow, ooh, got some gym, nice. We have a gym or fitness room. Okay, pool, comment below as well if you played pool. Nice. So this might be one of the locations for the 2-bedroom spots. But once again, a nice, beautifully done and decorated location. So it is a little better. Still car dependent at 31 for the walk score, and transit score is nowhere to be found. So definitely gonna need a car or a bike or something to get around. Alright, so comment below which place you liked the most and which place you want to see, because we have so much more, so many more places that we could see as well, just within this price range. So comment below if you want to see more, and we'll see you in the next video.